Everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and welcome to Coffee and Grit. Today we're going to talk about something, well, it's really not talked about a lot at all, but it really should be because a lot of sanders and a lot of tools use it, and that's graphite rolls. Graphite roll, what is that, you may say? Well, it's a roll that has graphite applied to it. It's on a heavy cloth or canvas backing. We offer it with a couple of different options as far as the heavy duty. We offer it in a 2-ply, but generally, you can see there, that's about the thickness of it. It's not too thick, and it's not supposed to be. But this graphite, what this does is it minimizes the friction on the back of a belt, for instance, that so it doesn't build up a lot of heat, because heat is the enemy of abrasives. So the more heat you've got, the more likely you are for loading and some other issues. Well, think of a portable belt sander. A lot of portable belt sanders. We know we sell belts for them, like these, but a lot of them will use either some kind of graphite roll, or this is using a cork with a metal platen on the back. Well, if the metal is generating too much heat, you can actually apply using the same 2 screws that are used to mount this metal platen to the sander. You can attach that graphite right to that, cut it to length so that it doesn't fall out, and just whenever you put your belt on, just make sure you're tucking it in there. And that will actually minimize the friction and reduce the heat that's being built up on your portable belt sanders. Now, a lot of the bigger sanders have that same problem as well. Over here, we've got our Rikon 6x48. Now, a lot of the bigger sanders, your 6x89s, the 6x80s, a lot of them will already have some kind of a surface on that platen. Well, Rikon, this particular one, it does not. So on this particular belt, it's just got the metal. Well, let's take a closer look. So now the nice thing about this is this metal's pretty smooth. It's painted. It'll reduce a lot of the friction and a lot of the heat. But how much better if we were to apply a 6-inch graphite roll to that? And we sell these in a variety of lengths, but this happens to be a 1-yard roll. So you'd be able to come right here, sort of square off this end. So you can line this up just a little bit back of this edge. So I would come back, maybe about an 1/8 or 1/4. Then you can attach this to this. Now, this is where a lot of people don't understand. Some of the sanders, they'll actually have a method for tucking this in on the back side, but this particular sander doesn't. So some people may ask, well, how in the world would I even mount that graphite roll to that sander? Well, I got an answer for you. You might recognize this product if you've seen our glue video or our video on adhesives that we just put out. This is the Mohawk spray adhesive. It's like a contact cement. So this, if you just clean the surface of this off really well, you're going to want to take this shroud off so you can get this all the way back as far as this whole plate goes. Okay, because you're going to want this graphite roll to cover that whole section. So then you'd be able to spray your surface. Now, if you really want this thing to go on there and stay on there, you may have to do a lot of cleaning later when you try to go to scrape it off. But you could spray this on this side. You're going to want to mask off your rollers and everything else. Spray it on this surface. Spray it on the back of the roll. Let the 2 dry. Then when you put this on there, that will bond, and you'll have a good, strong bond that'll be that won't come off very easily. Now, this is very easy to apply. It is an aerosol, so you can get this real easily from us on the website. You can get the graphite rolls from us on the website. And if you want to see more of how the contact cement or the spray adhesive works, feel free to check out that adhesive video, and probably link down in the description. But go to our YouTube channel and check that out. Check out these graphite rolls on our website. Find the one that's the right size for you, whether you're looking for something in a 4 or a 6. We have them in a variety of widths and a variety of lengths. So if you're having issues with heat buildup, graphite might just be the answer. Now, it'll turn your finger black, but that's okay. But the graphite rolls for the win if you're looking to minimize that and create a much smoother, longer lasting abrasive and application in your shop. So whether you're dealing with a portable belt sander or a bench top or a bigger belt sander, an edge sander, we got a graphite roll that'll work for you. Maybe you're looking to replace your platen on your wide belt sander. Well, graphite can be made and put on that strip as well. So, well, this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. I hope this was helpful. Feel free to go to our website at woodworkingshop.com, and you can check us out online there. You can also drop down right while you're there and ask us any question right in the little tech box, and we'll answer those questions live. It is a real person. And if you want to talk to somebody to place an order, you can go to 800-228-0000, and our amazing customer service team will be able to help you out there. Well, this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and thanks for watching Coffee and Grit.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.